Good morning, guys. So it is currently Sunday and I wanted to vlog my day today. Just ate breakfast, I got ready for my day, I took a shower, got all clean and stuff, and I've been listening to Taylor Swift's new album, Folklore, and oh my god. Let me tell you my favorite songs because I have to. Okay, so my favorite songs are The One, I really like Cardigan 2, The Last Great American Dynasty, Invisible String literally has my heart. It's so cute. Like, I just love that. August is really good too. 7 is good too. The whole album is literally exactly what I needed. And I don't know how Taylor Swift does it, but she is so brilliant and so talented and beautiful, and this is right up my alley. She's never made an album like this before, and I'm sorry I have to like fangirl over her for a minute because I have loved her since I was literally like 12. When I first learned how to play guitar, her songs were the first songs that I ever learned how to play, like chord-wise. She just inspires me literally so much. Like I love this woman and I don't even know her. She's definitely on like my top list of artists that I want to see live. I really hope she doesn't retire soon or anything because I really want to see her live. I don't have that many friends that love her as much as I love her, so I just wait. I think I'm going to clean down here a little bit. It's kind of messy-ish. I just have to like put away clothes and stuff, so they're all like on the couch, so I'm gonna do that, and then I really don't know what to do. I want to wash my laundry because homegirl needs to do her laundry so bad, but our washing machine is weird. Our laundry room is kind of like in a basement. It's like underground sort of. Whenever I wash my clothes, there's always like dirt and grime on the bottom, and that like stains my clothes, and I freaking hate it. And I don't understand because no one else in my family experiences that, but I do whenever I wash my clothes, and it's already stained my clothes in the past. Just a little rant. And you guys are dying, so I'm gonna charge you and then update you as my day goes on. I just got home. Me, my mom, and Lelo went to Best Buy because my sisters are doing online school this year, so they needed another laptop because they couldn't share one laptop with them taking different classes. And we also went to Aldi. Just had like a weird late lunch slash early dinner situation, but it wasn't ideal. I did save room for these. I found these at Aldi, and I think it's the Aldi version of Lar bars. They're called Elevation. It's the apple pie flavor, but they're fruit and nut bars, and it says vegan up there at the top of the box, and it even says compared to Lar bars. So I was interested to see how they would taste compared to Lar bars because Lar bars are one of my favorite snacks. It has dates, almonds, dried apples, walnuts, raisins, and cinnamon. The ingredients are pretty similar to Lar bars. It has 5 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, and only 190 calories per bar. This is what it looks like in the packaging. Let's see what it looks like inside. It smells like an apple pie. You can see all the little nuts and stuff. And you can tell it's made from dates. Okay, taste test. Bon appetit. It's definitely similar. I feel like it's thicker and it's a lot nuttier. Yeah, it's definitely a lot nuttier than actual Lar bars. You can even see like all the nuts and stuff, but you can tell it like the consistency and the texture is like thicker than Lar bars. I feel like Lar bars are a little bit more squished and condensed. I like this a lot. The box was $3.49 for 5 bars, and I believe Lar bars sells for around $4, maybe even $5 depending on your grocery store. I think I would rate it, I'd rate it an 8. Hopefully they come out with more flavors because there were only 2 at the store that I saw that were vegan. So. I am so tired. I made a tea, a black tea with some soy milk to like try to wake myself up, but honestly I just want to take a nap. I'm watching Emma Chamberlain paint some of these pants, and I just want to fall asleep to the sound of her voice. I don't know why I'm so tired. I wanted to drink that tea so that I could like wake up and go to Target. I took a nap and it's 8 o'clock. Where has my day gone? I So we kind of found a move. Me and Samara have to go to the store. Where should we go? Target? Walmart? Target. Let me take this off real quick. My brother, Lelo, and our dad has been kind of sickly. We don't think it's COVID. We think it's like a cold. I pray and I hope that it's just like a cold. Also, this is my little Argentina flag. You see her? Oh my god, so cute. Where's my phone? Where's my phone?
You're recording on your phone. Oh my god.
We're in Samara's favorite part of the store. Tea. But to be fair, it's my favorite part of the store too.
Look how good this one sounds. Turmeric with meadow sweet and ginger.
What is meadow sweet?
I don't know, but that sounds very soothing.
Anything with ginger though, I'm down. Hey, I'm back. Still on the couch, but a different position. I'm gonna end this video off here just because it's already like 10 o'clock and I'm not gonna do anything. I'm probably just gonna lay right here on this couch and watch more YouTube videos, maybe play some Animal Crossing and call it a night. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed down below, go ahead and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.